Hey, how you doing? My name's Ed Mahosky. I'm a fish biologist that actually is responsible for Kokanee Salmon management in Connecticut and have been for many years. And we're actually out here on West Hill Pond, one of our two Kokanee Salmon management lakes in Connecticut. We have here in East Twin Lake, and we're trolling for them today. And actually have had a pretty good morning so far. It was overcast earlier. We're trolling down about 30 feet. We're pulling stuff through the water that are similar lures to this, where it has a dodger that creates a little action in front of a lure. And there's a lot of different types of kokanee lures. This just happens to be what we're using. We tip that with corn, and the wives' tail, or the common thinking is you have to use a white shoe peg corn for it to work. Salmon go by smell a lot, and they'll key in on that corn, and when they attack it, hopefully you'll get a hookup. So the salmon that we were catching today are actually pretty nice size. They're right now still in silver phase. They haven't started to turn. These are a Pacific salmon, a sockeye salmon, that are just landlocked. And what's unique about this is Connecticut is the only state east of the Mississippi, other than possibly North Carolina, where they may still have a naturally reproducing population. And that's what makes this so unique, because you can have anglers in Connecticut fishing for Pacific salmon, and we've had this program since the 40s. And it gives you an opportunity that most anglers don't have access to.